Hello everyone, I'm Adriza. Welcome back. In a video that I made a few days ago, I talked about how to improve your English by reading newspapers with the help of newspapers. And I'm so grateful that you all accepted it in this rate, the video. Thank you so much. I always look at your comments, your inspiring words, and I feel very grateful. So thank you for it. But you need to know that reading newspapers, books, anything is just one step in many steps of improving your English. And it is not the first step. It is the step when you realize that you already know English, but then you need to improve it. So that is when you start reading newspapers. But what about completely basic beginners who have never spoken in English in their life? They want to learn English. I know there are a lot of you all who does not even know how to start practicing English. So this video is for them today, for the beginners, and I will share with you a few very easy tips with which you will be able to start to practice speaking English. And I'm sure that this video would be very helpful, so make sure to watch till the end. Now, think. What should the step be? The first step by which you will start learning a language. Let's go back to a baby. I always take the example of a newborn baby in each and every one of my videos, and I'm going to do the same today. Well, a baby, how does a kid learn his or her mother tongue? He listens to everyone, right? Each and every one of the relatives, the parents, when they speak in that mother tongue, they try to understand it at first. Can they understand it at first? No, they can't. But they try to do it. And after that, when the words repeat itself, they somehow get to know the meaning of them. And then they try to speak it out. So that is how the psychology of a baby works. They have absolutely no idea what a language is, how will they speak it out. They just listen. They try to understand the meaning of the words they are listening to, and they try to speak it out. Okay, that is how you learn a language. That is how you learned your mother tongue, and that is how you will also learn English. So all you need to do is listen. Listen to whatever is going on around you in English. For that, take the help of any sort of YouTube videos, anything. First, don't go with Hollywood movies. Yeah, I get it, you want to learn English from them, but you will get scared. When you listen to them and you're not able to understand, it will automatically decrease your confidence, and that will be very harmful. So please don't start with tough English movies. Start with the basic videos. You will see many videos in YouTube, videos for beginners, where they speak at a slow pace. Remember, your first and foremost priority should not be to increase your pace, to speak fast. It should be to be able to grasp that language, to be able to express your emotions and feelings in English. That is what you need to do in your beginner stage. You can think about improving your vocabulary, your pronunciation, anything at the later stage. For your beginner level, start with the easiest thing, that is listen. You don't need to work hard for that. You just need to listen to whatever you are interested in. Let me give you an example. Whenever you hear a music or a song and you like it, you don't even need to learn it. It will automatically go on and on in your mind, right? So that is the power of listening. If you hear English consistently, you don't even need to learn it. It will automatically go on. You will automatically speak it out, and that is what you need to do. Now let me tell you how you will listen to a particular video. Take a very easy video, but you need to maintain something, right? You need to do it consistently, but maintain this thing. That is, suppose they speak out a sentence. Okay? Pause the video and speak it out with them. Repeat the sentence. Speak it out aloud. This is what you need to do. Practice this. Let me give you an example. Suppose you hear this sentence, let's watch a movie. So pause it out and say it out. Repeat it. Let's watch a movie. That is what you need to do. So now I'll speak out some sentences. This is for your practice, okay? I'll say some sentences. You need to repeat them after me. And they are going to be very easy basic sentences, so I'm sure you will understand them. So make sure to repeat it after me and say it out aloud using your voice, okay? So let's start. Can you help me? Excuse me, where is the washroom? It's nice to meet you. It's a beautiful day. Such a wonderful weather. May I sit here? I am not able to understand. Can you repeat it, please? Let's go for a walk. Do you have a pen? Good, very good. So this is how you need to practice it, okay? Repeat it. Anything that you hear, repeat it out. It will automatically increase your confidence. When you realize you are able to speak in English, your confidence will increase, and when your confidence will increase, no one will be able to stop you. And another thing is that after you do this, you know about this sentence structure, right? Suppose let's go for a walk. This is a sentence. Now you know what is the structure. Now form some other sentences with the same structure. Like, let's watch a movie. Let's play cricket. So make sentences with let. Make sentences with can, with have, with may. Okay, when you get these words, try to form similar sentences. So that is how you will improve your English. You will increase your stock of words, your stock of sentence structures, and that is how you will learn English. And remember, I also learned English as my second language, and then if I can, then you also can. Everyone can. It's not a big deal. Learning a language, don't think of it as a burden. Enjoy when you learn it. I'm sure you will be able to do it. My best wishes is for you, and that's it for today. I hope this will help you in improving your English, in helping you to start practicing in English. And if you have any other suggestions and any other doubts or queries, then you can write it in the comment box below. I'll be happy to help. And if you like this video and found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more such videos. That's it for today. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.